6 Carmel Customs every Wednesday. Watch out. Lagi ako nanonood. Panako, lalo yung bike mo kanina, nakita ko, ay, ito si Sir Darwin to. Stig.
Ikaw pala yan!
Ikaw pala yan!
Uy, ikaw pala yan! Di ba yung usually nasasabihin mo pag finally nakita mo na yung mukha ng isang rider na lagi mo nakakasama sa ride pero hindi mo kilala yung mukha kasi lagi naka-helmet?
Always been a wise guy, always lived a high life. Looking back at hindsight now, even after every fight night, never really felt like the right time till right now. Always live the nightlife, lost in the moonlight, never see the sunshine. Nah, always play the nice guy. Damn, what a nice night, baby. Look at the stars.
Meron ka bang grupo sa pagmamotor or tropa or club? Di ba? Hindi naman kayo nagkikita-kita. Sa Facebook lang naman kayo nag-uusap eh. O kaya group chat, di ba? Pero mayat maya, nagkikita naman kayo ng makagrupo mong mga riders eh. Minsan sa ride, EB or eyeball, o sa mga Motomeetup.
What's up, guys?
Zach, man!
I am Inwar.
What's your name?
Play.
My beautiful girlfriend.
Ay, pala si Paula.
Ikaw na naman. There's this group, the Motovloggers group, naimbitahan nila ako, sila Gaki.
Yeah, I'm making magic, you moving backwards. I had to have it, made it happen.
AJC knows, Motovlog. Shoutout sa 01 Squad, KP22 Motovlog with Breezy Rider. We are the one. Mga kupal. Ba't ang galing Motovlog? Kita mo yung ilong mo.
Big Rider, tandaan nyo, walang kawenta. Lahat, kinakalimutan. Pati shoutout.
Simula lang.
Meng.
Guys, All Rock Motovlog.
Baby Rubs Manila.
Of course. Pare, anong tawag yan?
Zion Smooth 4, gimbal.
So, yan ang gimbal.
Meron, wala na rider. Dodge,
Meron, Rider DC1. You best double your bet on me. I move so fluidly, they see me.
Sanity mo lang. Last year, andito rin ako. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba na to.
Yung
Garcia. Tama naman sa MotoGP niya.
Resolution.
No, never learn to aim low. I'm trying to influence the future. Asking fuck you, bang.
First time here?
For me, originally, what I was thinking was that it would be like one of those small rides na 5-10 tao lang, ganun. Pero pagdating namin, grabe, dami, like 100 more.
When they picked me up this morning, it's like 3-4 bikes. It's like, okay, it's a nice small ride. When we got to the place, it's like, whoa, where do we park our bikes? It's all full.
Yeah.
It's like, that alone was hard enough.
This is KRB, Mitas KRB MX Speedway. So you can see here. Thank you KTM for that awesome demo bike.
Motovloggers Meetup or MMU is a yearly event na nagkikater sa lahat ng vloggers or motovloggers and aspiring motovloggers dito sa Pilipinas.
Dito sa Motomeetup 2019. So lahat yan may camera. So nag-enjoy ako, nakilala ko lahat mga nakikita ko sa Facebook, sa mga YouTube, mga riders. Dati naka-helmet lang sila lagi. May mga simple, iba-ibang klase mga motor, may underbone, may scooter, may big bike, may off-road. Kanya-kanyang trip pero nagkikita-kita lahat. There's one thing in common na nire-record nila sarili na nagbi-video tapos upload nila sa Facebook nila, kanyang YouTube. Nandito rin yung mga non-vloggers, yung mga fans.
May mga friends lang kasi kami na nagbablog tapos na-invite.
Amazing turnout. It's a good thing this year we had a Facebook page, so we I think we had like around 200 attendees this year. And also motovloggers from Motovloggers PH. So you have JT Motour, me, Polar Rides, Weekend Rider, Makina, News Photos here. Yeah, pretty much well attended. So we're looking forward to next year. And we're not event planners, so this was all just done for the love of the community. So, but next year we plan something better, bigger and better.
So maybe next year, if you're a vlogger or non-vlogger, if you want to meet the people that you see on YouTube or Facebook, nakikita mo lang sa helmet pero hindi mo nakikita yung actual mukha. So maybe Motomeetup 2020 next year. Baka kayo gusto mag-motovlogging then, it's fun and maybe try it out.
Hi guys, this is Polar Rides. I would like to give a full appreciation and thank you to each and every one of the sponsors. And guys, see you on the next MMU 2020.